आता इन्स्ट्रक्शन बघ काय म्हणते. इथून राईट झालं, वरती जाऊन काय लेफ्ट आहे. इथून लेफ्टच आहे, लेफ्ट अपहिल राईट. टी जंक्शन, मग लेफ्ट. लुईस, वा छान घर आहे रे. याला बहुतेक ब्लॅक कलर आवडतो, बोटर्स. ही जिमनी लावली मस्त. हे कार खूप फेमस झाली जपानमध्ये. वा, याच म्हणायचं घर, कंट्री साईड. मस्त चॅडविक. फर्दर इन्स्ट्रक्शन काय? स्ट्रेट. हां, हे दुसरं घर आहे. वाव. ग्रीन बँक्स. वाह, कनोली, कनोल कार पार्क. त्याला आजकाल टेस्ला लय कॉमन होऊन बसले रे. टेस्ला खूप कॉमन होऊन बसली कार.
इंडियामध्ये प्राईस किती आहे? 70 पर्यंत आहे.
बापरे,
35
ती पण मॉडेल 3. हे काय स्कूल आहे का? झेंडा वगैरे लावलाय. लॉज आहे, भोयर लॉज, ब्रेयर लॉज. ठोंबे उठले ना सकाळ सकाळी. 8 वाजता आले ना. T junction and left to Station Road, Parkview Road. वा वा वा, बघितलंस 10-15 गाड्या लागतील आरामात, 10-15 कार्स. हां, डाऊन हिल राईट आहे. इन्स्ट्रक्शन बघ. बिग ट्रीज.
At the end of Parkway Road, turn left for a short downhill path. Cross over the road.
नाही, वरती
and-
आपण अजून.
हे नाही हे आलं की टी जंक्शन झालं की.
नाही,
Cross
वरती
over-
एक टी जंक्शन होतं.
Sure.
हे बघ, टर्न लेफ्ट अँड कंटिन्यू थ्रू द
हे नाही हे झालं.
ॲट द एंड ऑफ द शॉर्ट डाउनपुट. हां, नेक्स्ट आता
Cross
नेक्स्ट
over the road and
हा.
turn right along the pavement. म्हणजे
टर्न राईट. ओके, मग तो मॅप पण बरोबर आहे म्हणजे.
हा. आणि इथूनच सगळा डेटा घेतला मॅम.
हां, त्यांनी तो एकाने ट्रेल करून नाही ना हे केलं असेल. हे पण इलेक्ट्रिक सबस्टेशन आहे काय. टर्न राईट ऑन द स्टेशन. क्रॉस ओव्हर द रोड.
Cross over the road and turn right.
टर्न राईट.
After the property called Sunnyside on the left.
सनी साईड.
Turn left to join a narrow footpath.
दिस इज ब्रुकफील्ड.
Yes.
सनी
Sunny.
सनी साईड. नाही हा ब्रुकफील्ड आहे. पुढे असणार सनी साईड.
Map भी देखते हैं.
हे नाही, हे प्रायव्हेट आहे.
Sunny side. On the left. Turn left.
सनी साईड. हे आहे ना, पब्लिक फुटपाथ आहे. हनी ओक स्टेबल कॉटेज. दिस इज सनी साईड. वॉक डाऊन.
It leads you downhill between the garden. At the end, you will come to a road and you will see choice of two footpaths.
हां,
There in the area, take the left-hand path called Madeira Walk.
मदीरा वॉक. गुड मॉर्निंग.
Take the left-hand path called Madeira Walk and follow this for 850 meters passing.
आता
Madeira Walk.
इथे दोन आहेत. पब्लिक फुटपाथ घ्यायचं आहे.
ते मग Madeira लिहिलं काय पब्लिक फुटपाथ.
पब्लिक फुटपाथ लिहिले.
काय होतं बघा मॅपमध्ये पण बघून.
इकडे एक बोर्ड आहे. हा काय आहे?
दोन फुटपाथ आहेत.
फुटपाथ आहे. फुटपाथ घ्यायचा आहे, मग तोच आहे.
नाही तो काय हे बाई दोन फुटपाथ बोलली ती. हा बरोबर दाखवतो.
हा ना. गुड. लेट्स गो.
आपण थोडंसं ऑफ ट्रॅकच दाखवतो पण ती येतं बघ.
लेट्स गो. तो बहुतेक तिथेच जाणार समोर.
मदिरा बरोबर हा मदिरा वापरला तुला.
त्यांनी बोर्ड अपडेट केलेले नाहीत.
रोड आहे मध्ये.
तो रोड आहे, हा वॉक आहे असा का? सेक्शन ऑफ वुडलँड बिटवीन हाऊसेस अँड सेक्शन ऑफ वुडलँड 850 meters. वुडलँडच आहे. इथे जुरासिक पार्क सारखं वाटतं ना जंगल.
त्याच्यामध्ये अजून एक मोठा पण आहे 13.5 माईलचा.
क्या बात आहे, तीच करूया. केबिन आहे, एवढी मोठी प्रॉपर्टी आहे त्याची. तर खाली जाऊन काय आहे, लेफ्ट टर्न.
Open 850 meters passing first between houses and a place. The open area near to the park is the
वुडलँड.
open area near to the park. हा कुठे आहे? हा
येतो, येतो.
Nice nature, right? Did it? So are we in that or are we speaking? Yeah. Have fun.
गुड मॉर्निंग. This is nice walk here.
I
have some friends in Poland recording.
See, if we come by that side, no? See, this way also there is a walk. That is the path.
But we want to be upper
Upper ground.
side.
See that house.
Yeah.
See? That is how the house should be.
London is this side.
This side.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. We are going on. Nice, yeah.
Towards
Very nice. See?
I started my app, okay? Recording.
Now,
But it's recorded from past 14 hours. Sorry, 14 minutes.
14 minutes. Okay. We are on track then.
Because a rich variety of plants. Further along you come out of the trees, there are excellent views to the left towards London.
That is London then.
Yeah, I could see.
Excellent view.
You are looking at the slope of the north
This
down.
is Canary Walk.
Which one? No, yeah.
I'm
Slope of the North Downs. That one, valley.
we went that, huh?
Hmm.
North down.
North Downs. But view is good. It's a bit foggy, but it's beautiful. What if somebody gets a fall from here? This is grassland. It's called Long Hills Grassland. See, a mushroom. नाही. तर काय सरळच जायचंय.
Further along where you come out from trees, you are looking at the slope of north down and across the Saccharin Valley. You will come to small section of fencing at a sign junction of parts with some small steps visible ahead. You're out of track, but still.
Out of track.
नाही नाही ठीक आहे बरोबर आहे थोडंसं नॅव्हिगेशनमध्ये इकडे तिकडे होते तर आतापर्यंत किती आलं बा टाईम नाही टाईम 19:13 का दाखवतो 19 मिनिटं आली
हम्म. हे
डिस्टन्स 1 माईल
मजा नाही येत. आता तो पात इकडे आला. हा जॉईन करतो पुढे. नाईस यार.
गोप्रोचा काहीतरी ऑइल
स्टेप्स आहेत आता. राईट स्टेप्स अप ना. हां स्मॉल स्टेप्स. इथं साईन आहे ना. हे दिस इज मदिरा वॉक.
donated to
जॉर्ज अँड कॅलन ब्रून. हो
Recently only. My God.
they made the walk. So earlier people used to be following that way then, Bridle way. Be careful, huh? This one. right? Okay.
So you took subscription of Aldrin's?
No. Earlier. But I can see.
Okay, now how you can see the subscription? Okay. Yeah. Then what is the use of subscription?
I don't mind to take that, but I think when you get
Hey,
track
this house is nice, yeah. Lovely.
Small community, very nice, right?
See this, they are building completely out of wood.
it's a very good piece.
हां हो ना, हे किचन आहे, हॉल किचन आणि तो तिथे मॉर्निंग.
I think it's a bit cheaper here, right?
It's just straight, no maintenance, low maintenance I would say. This is a barn house. Hey, poppy field. Look at there. That is a barn and the meadows, and they have kept what do you say?
Look at the window sizes.
Yeah, very nice. They have kept sheep there. Oh, somebody is grazing horses as well.
Today went to St. Paul Cathedral, right?
Huh?
You know that history
Huh?
cathedral is there since 1079.
Oh, very old. And you have to go down here? And left?
Completely.
This particular
It
house,
will be more warm inside just because of nature.
yeah, has a solar dome. So people can sit inside, nicely enjoy the sunny view, even though it's not sunny today. You also get a nice view from here. Good. Nice bed to go grow crops. Hey, there is a view here. See? This is High Shore. Is there a solar panel here? Yeah. But view is very good, no? Oh, you want to run here?
Because
It's slow?
will fall down.
No. It's better we roll, no? Like panda. Roll like a panda. See, so much of.
The fodder.
Yeah. So first we climb up and then we go down. Nice. It's a short one only. Keep going. Good. So from this road we go straight down.
No.
Careful, careful, careful with that one. Come from here. That is deep.
I like taking risk.
Oh, is it? Go jump.
I don't like easy path.
Is it? Let's go 13.5 then. Full risky. See, every time you come to such path, you will always see one Defender car.
One different?
Defender car.
Uh,
Here it is. That's a Defender.
Defender?
Defender, yes.
Which type?
Yeah, the name he has given, but it is Defender. See, he's enjoying the view with that one.
What is the view?
He'll burn. See, they are still using wood. You see that?
For the heat.
Yeah.
What are these?
They are
Black
logs,
wood?
no?
Black wood?
No, not black wood. That is covered in plastic. The wood is there.
Ah, yes. Very fast on the
I like this home, yeah.
Yeah,
See,
the walk
yeah.
is good actually.
He came all the way with the car, yeah. Navigator, are we going correct on the track? Okay.
But navigator should be in front.
No. Front is the cameraman. Now you have to take left. Where? Here? That one. Okay. See, these, even if they were old houses, they should have a water source, no? Let's say earlier there were no pipes and nothing, no water supply. They need to have some water source nearby, like a well or something. Yeah, every house, no?
Left it or left? No.
This left.
Even in India, if you see,
They,
there are villages in very
everybody has a well.
hilly areas like
Ah.
UP and all. How did they have water? It's a question only actually.
Yeah, it's a well. They have some well.
Even in mountains there will be well.
Yeah,
You already in upper, right? How the water comes to the mountain?
they will dig more.
Oh, from top to
Yeah. They keep digging. Or
The water will come to a junction with the road, with the golf course. This is a hill.
golf course. Oh, is that a piano? That looks like a piano, right?
No, barbecue.
Barbecue. Oh,
On the
my
south
bad.
side, there was-
Eh, nice.
Here you will get piano for free.
Yeah.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah.
Because you need to have that much big place.
Space. Yeah,
Big
too
place
heavy
in
to
your
pick.
home as well. Heavy to dispose.
If you bring piano, our bedroom is full.
Uh,
Yeah, nice home, yeah. Classic home, yeah. This one. Hey, wait. It's going to be a good view. See? Show you this one. Oh.
this is a golf course.
This is the golf course, and it is a really nice view. Ah. See, Gatwick Red Hill, you have cycle route from here.
This is second right, sir. We need to start.
Now here it is, he says left, no, from here.
Just left.
What do you say? Come.
They need to drive that car.
So this is turn left and then cross the road and
Cross the
right.
road and then right.
You cross there only, na? There is no footpath.
Again a bridle way, getting to Red Hill. Oh, nice. See? Kettle. A nicely grazing cattle here.
Careful.
Yeah. Somebody went with horse as well. I think they got the house to enjoy this view. Keep a watch over the cattle.
Because this place, we need snow.
Ah,
We'll come here one day.
when it is snow?
Yeah, but you will not be here. There we'll come. You and other guys when it's snow. This will be really like a Narnia.
Narnia. We saw that Narnia, right? After I am gone, you take the lead. Bring everyone.
Everybody will
Make them walk.
Yeah. But the problem is climate. It will be little challenging.
That's okay. Wear double layers.
No, cold, yeah.
Yeah, wear all the layers, mask, everything.
You find a good walking trail over there.
Yeah, then you
One day
come.
we'll also come.
Yes.
Only boys. I will drive them there.
Gatwick and?
You will arrive at the junction with the white tarmac access drive for Woldingham School.
That is Oldingham School. Is it? No? We are on track, right? Oh, cows.
Left.
Turn left to Bridle Way. So this is NC, National Cycle Network. NC 21. So scared?
Turn left along this.
Tarmac.
We are now walking through. It's called Marden Park. Follow the driveway as it bends to the right to reach railway bridge. Pass under the bridge and stay on the left right as it bends left.
Okay. So it is bending left there.
Yes. First it will bend to the right and
Then to the left. Correct.
Full of hot night here. Pitch dark.
Yeah.
No street lights, nothing.
Oh, there is a horse paddock here. See? You can see two horses. It's cool, like it? Looks like a school. Chalo. This is the railway bridge. Oh, and there is a school. Woldingham School. Morning.
Nice.
Yeah, it's 9 o'clock.
We'll put behind you.
Especially this one. There's a T junction ahead. Very nice view with the houses. T junction. Car. School was the front, no?